Create your own paternity kit at home and save up to $150. It's easy, you just need to collect the samples yourself with our easy-to-follow instructions. To start the process, go to globalpaternity.com and click the blue button, Start the process now. Then, step number 1, select your type of test. For example, you can choose paternity test, sibling test, avuncular test, etc. Step 2, select the number of participants. Step 3, make the payment. Step 4, after payment, you will be able to print out the submission form. Complete it with the required information. You'll be sending this form with your DNA samples. Now, how is the procedure to take a proper DNA sample? 1. You will need to buy cotton swabs. A pair of swabs is required for each participant. 2. Buy paper envelopes, one for each participant. 3. Buy a large envelope to store the small envelopes containing DNA samples. Prepare an envelope for each participant, clearly writing the following details on the outside: full name, email, phone number, gender, and relationship, for example, alleged father, child, etc. If the swabs come with 2 tips, it will be necessary to cut one of them, so there will only be one stick from the other end. Start by using the first swab in one of your upper cheek inside your mouth. Be sure to brush inside the cheek, swab in between the cheek and gum for 30 seconds. Swab doing rolling motion. Move the swab up and down while also rotating. It's very important to rotate the swab with your fingers to collect a good amount of DNA-containing cells. After taking the first sample, prepare the second swab and take the samples from the other cheek. It is important to change the cheek to obtain 2 different DNA samples. Allow the swabs a minimum of 1 hour to dry. Place the swab somewhere clean, ensuring that the end of the swab is not touching anything else, for example in a glass with the tip in the air. When dry, place the swabs into the paper envelope. Repeat the entire process with the second participant. Place the paper envelopes with the swabs inside a larger envelope along with your submission form and send it to our laboratory. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to contact us. We offer services in English, Spanish, and French.